Regular filming mode, 3, 2, 1. Big gun exhaust in it, some badass. We got a badass muffler here. I've been wanting this muffler for a while, and we finally talked them into sending this one to sponsor us. What we're doing is, we're basically taking, since 2022, we wanted to make our own exhaust, our own prototype and own series or line with the big gun exhaust. I've been hassling them, dude. I've been giving them hell about it for years.
If you can make something that they're going to like, they are saying that they're going to work with you.
That we created. So cool. They make one for a get motor. And they make one for the Grom and stuff like that. No, they don't.
Everybody else makes them.
Yeah, everybody. And they have a better price point, better performance, if you ask me. They're losing a lot of money, but we love big gun exhaust. When in doubt, what was I always say? Pull the big freaking guns out. That's right.
They definitely pulled the heavy gun out, didn't they?
This one, that's a lot heavier than what I thought it was going to be. I got it in the mail. I'm like, what the?
Right here, I swear
it's heavier than the whole thing.
Than that one.
Yeah, it is heavier than it. It really. It's got carbon fiber. That's real carbon fiber too.
Carbon fiber and aluminum. Where's all the weight at?
I don't know, man. We're gonna probably take it apart and check it out and just see.
It's steel on the inside. This is steel.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
It's stainless, but and the inside of it's stainless.
Wow, that shit shouldn't break.
No, it should. Well, this is the dirt bike.
I know it's a dirt bike one, but it's like the one you see on all the Ruckuses. All these different companies have.
Yeah.
It's like the Yoshimura kind of like Two Brothers Exhaust have one like it. I've been wanting a shorty pipe for so long on here, man. To try one out.
I'm wondering is like this is the dirt bike version. Like, don't they supposed to have like a removable baffle or something? Or?
Like this one had a removable baffle in it.
Yeah,
we have one for this one.
Well, no, that was a spark arrestor.
Oh, spark arrestor. Oh, that's right, right.
Well, this one doesn't even have that.
I mean, I asked them to send me one.
I don't want it.
I asked them to send me one. They sent it to me. Just like it was. It's like I asked them.
But I mean, I know like in certain states like California and stuff, you've got to have a spark arrestor and all that.
They might put that back in. I mean, they can redesign that back into it. You know.
Yeah.
We're just building the header for it and the exhaust system and the mount set up for it.
Yeah, we're just making the exhaust and making it look proper. They can worry about the
final
complicated little legalities.
Yeah, they can do that on but we're doing the legwork for it, and it's pretty cool because we love being sponsored by them. They've really helped give credibility to our garage here. They've helped us with, I mean, we're allowed to use their namesake. They have been so good to us.
About the same size.
I mean, they want to help veterans like we want to help. I know, that's what I'm saying. It's really cool.
The same size.
Yeah, I think we got to make our own tabs for it. We got to put our own tabs to it. They just send the tab mounts like these right here. These do go on there, but I asked them to do that so we can mount it how we want to on it. It gives us options of how we want to make it. They can pretty much give us full freedom on how we do this. They told us to tag them to everything we make on this, so we're gonna be tagging them to everything over the next couple months. We're gonna be really working on this over this winter and really trying to get this figured out, and then maybe spring test it out and send it back to them. I'm looking so forward to this series we're going to be doing, and you guys are going to be following along with us. So, yeah, we'll take you on the journey with us as we make this big gun exhaust for the GY6 Ruckus swap.
Yeah, we're going to make a couple of different variations of it. We're going to try, a one piece. We're going to try maybe a 2-3 piece.
Yeah.
We're going to put AFR fittings. I mean,
we're going to go about it the right way.
Yeah, we're going to definitely do some trial and error.
We want them when they see it. We want them to be like, that's what we need. That's what we want. We want to make this for sure.
We're wanting to make this to where that it's functional for everybody. Like like to where it's a universal fit to where most anybody can use it on their application.
That's right.
But I mean, we want it to perform well and function properly
and sound great.
Yeah,
big gun always sounds good.
All big guns sound good.
Damn right they do.
I don't think I've ever heard a big gun exhaust that doesn't sound good. Really.
That's true. They do. They make it sound better than everybody else's. I'm sorry. Sorry, Yoshi. We love you guys. I mean, we love you, but there's nothing like a big gun sound.
They got that loud, just unique.
But it's a good loud. Like, it's a proper loud. Like, oh, it's so good, man.
It almost sounds like a built ATV.
Yeah.
Like the exhaust does. I mean, really.
It sounds good. It sounds killer.
It kind of reminds me of like a 400EX that's, got a pretty much straight through exhaust.
Oh, right. But it sounds killer, and I love this bike.
I mean, you don't expect to see a moped when you hear the sound.
No, you don't.
The sound does not fit it at all. But I mean, it's cool. I mean,
people love the sound of it. People love when they see these bikes, and you kind of need a loud exhaust on a scooter, anyways. That way people see you, hear you coming.
Loud pipes save lives.
That's right. Loud pipes do save lives. People hear you coming, they look out for you.
That's right.
They can hear you with their windows shut sometimes.
Did they send us any decals?
No, I figured I told him I didn't. I just told him to send a plane. That way we could take and make because this is like I said once again this is just a.
Okay, I mean I didn't know if they,
Which we have enough big gun stickers here we could put on it.
Yeah, but like I figured that they wanted to put their series sticker on there, like what,
oh yeah,
what series line this exhaust is.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It's a
this muffler is a certain
certain series. Like this one right here is the what? This is the S Evo S series, yeah, which is a pretty cool. Look, I even had me a Sasquatch on there.
A big squatch.
Big squatch, yeah. I couldn't help it.
A big Evo squatch.
Which we've had that exhaust on there for a long. I mean, that's one of the first. That's the first sponsor we ever had was Big Gun exhaust. So
like since the bike was built.
Yeah.
It's been on there, yeah.
I mean, we had one for my original Ruckus had one. We had that, you know. I bought one. Remember, I bought one. That one sponsored. I bought that one.
Where'd that muffler go?
Oh, I gave it to Isaac.
Oh.
Yeah, I gave that one to Isaac. I gave the whole exhaust to Isaac, pretty much, I guess.
Okay, yeah.
Which, yeah.
Yep.
Matt's using it on his one bike now. He's using the muffler on his one bike.
It was a full body exhaust though.
Oh yeah, definitely full. But I mean, yeah, we had on my Get motor, and that Get motor was freaking awesome, dude. With that exhaust, with the carburetor I had on it, and that exhaust I had on it.
60 mile an hour, no problem.
I couldn't get to that fast, but
I could.
I'm too heavy for that. You hit 60 mile an hour on my Get motor.
Like 58, yeah.
Damn.
You don't remember that? Your brother did too.
Yeah, I know, but I couldn't ever do it because I'm too heavy. The only fast I ever went on it was 50. I went 50 mile an hour thing on it.
Seems like downhill.
No, but I went. We had aftermarket gear in it. We had a taller gear in it.
On level ground, I got to 58 mile an hour more than once.
So damn, on a Get motor.
Your brother did too.
Well, see, we didn't. We also didn't have. We didn't have the. We never had the ECU limiter on it.
No,
we never had a limiter. We had a gearing. We had the gearing set right on it. We changed the gearing and
we had pretty much everything you could do to one except for we never tore the engine apart.
No, never did.
We never cracked the engine apart but we had everything that you could possibly do to one. I mean
every little step of things you can do to one. We had light and shit on there. And
variators changed. I mean racing variators.
We experimented a lot with that bike.
Exhaust, yeah. I mean,
we did a lot of experimentation with that bike.
I don't think you could have squeezed another mile per hour or another horsepower out of it.
Exactly. I mean, I know we could have lightened the flywheel. We could have lightened the crank stuff.
Well, I mean, like they still have big bores for them.
They're very hard to get though.
Yeah, but I mean, from what I understand, you can actually bore the cylinders on those.
Very little.
Some
of them, yeah. It's a pain in the ass to get done.
I'd say it'd probably be a pain in the ass to find a piston.
That's the problem. I mean, that's you got about the piston. It's like I think it only gives you like it don't give you much.
Yeah, it's only like 3 or 4.
It takes it. I don't remember one was like a 66.6 cc.
CCs or something.
It's like 66.6 cc, a 666 or something like that. Shit. I'm like, what the hell?
It's not much.
It ain't much. No, it ain't a whole lot. But I mean,
I don't understand that. I mean, with all the big bore kits and all the crazy shit.
It's the way it's made, man. It's made different. It's made weirdly.
I mean, you would think that it makes some kind of a badass.
It's how their liquid cool setup's made. It's so much weird. It's so weird. Which the PCX is totally different made.
I mean that Lanai motor I've got, you can actually bolt the big. Well, they call it a big bore, but all it is, it's actually just the 400cc cylinder off of their Lanai.
400. Yeah, it's a Majesty 400 basically.
Yeah, they bolt right on.
It's the same thing as Yamaha Majesty motor. Yeah, that's basically what it is. That's all it is, a Majesty motor. Yeah, it's a clone.
You just buy the 400cc.
Actually, I think Lanai had a thing with Yamaha. They actually had a deal together. They actually worked together hand in hand.
Yamaha designed the motor.
Yeah.
And
Lanai manufactured it, I believe.
Manufactured it, but like Yamaha designed it and like come up with all the shit.
Mm-hmm.
So like that's why it's actually such a good motor.
Yeah, it's a damn good motor because it's Japanese designed. Yeah. I mean, it
was created more or less.
And you know, Yamaha motors are badass anyways.
Oh, yeah.
Yamaha makes some badass cutting edge shit.
I agree, yeah.
I mean, Ford show anyone?
I mean,
faux show?
Faux show.
Faux show. Damn right.
No, it ain't faux show. It's for go.